How to find transit number of Bank of Montreal. Let's get started. You can find your Bank of Montreal transit number using checks, likewise your online account or your bank branch. As with your routing number, you can find your BMO transit number on checkbooks and individual checks. Along with other BMO check numbers, the transit number will be part of the MICR line. Likewise, using online account as well, you can easily get transit number for BMO. You can log into your account and view each bank account to find their respective transit number. Lastly, using bank branch as well, you can easily get the transit number of BMO. You can use the same list as with the BMO routing number to find your BMO check transit number. However, you will need to know the address of the branch where you open the account. Then you can go back into the list of banks and branches, find the address in question, and you can know the routing number. Look for 5 digits that change from branch to branch. That way you can separate them from the institution number. Well, this way you can easily find transit number of Bank of Montreal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.